Palm oil is one of the most widely used vegetable oils in the world, derived from the fruit of the oil palm tree. The palm fruit bunches are freshly harvested and processed daily after being picked from plantations and delivered to the processing plant. The fresh bunches are conveyed into sterilization tanks for skin treatment, which inactivates flaps and softens the bunches. The bunches are then fed into a thresher, where the fruits are separated from the bunch in a rotating drum screen. The palm fruits are then transported by conveying equipment to the oil extraction section for crushing and pressing. Huatai Group uses its self-development specialized palm fruit oil press, which has obtained national patents. It offers excellent durability and stability, and has been widely adopted in markets across Southeast Asia, West Africa, and Central America. Palm oil is divided into two types: palm oil extracted from the fruit mesocarp, and palm kernel oil extracted from the kernel. This bottle I'm holding is crude palm oil pressed from the photo mesocarp. It is widely used in industrial applications such as soup, candles, detergents, lubricants, pigments, cosmetics, and biodiesel. After the crude oil undergoes refining process, including decolorization, deodorization, and fractionation, it becomes refined edible oil like this bottle. Commonly used in restaurant frying, palm kernel oil is extracted from the palm kernel. The palm kernels undergo polishing, stoning, and grinding, then are crushed in a cracker, followed by kernel shell separation and drying before oil extraction. The palm kernel oil press developed by Huatai is efficient, durable, and features low residual oil in the cake. Its press screws, pressing chambers, cake rings, and discharge coins are precision cast from wear-resistant alloy steel and treated with puncheon and night treating, significantly improving wear resistance and durability. The variable pitch design of the equipment further enhances oil extraction efficiency. For every 100 tons of fresh palm fruit processed, approximately 2.5 tons of palm kernel oil are obtained. In addition to being an edible oil, palm kernel oil is widely used in producing margarine, chocolate, ice cream, and other foods. The pressed palm kernel cake can be used as animal fat. At Huatai, we have professional equipment and a team of technical engineers to provide you with 24 hours service. Huatai operates in over 60 countries and regions worldwide, dedicated to providing complete turnkey solutions for palm oil production for every client. We sincerely welcome you to visit our factory for a tour and guidance. For high-end green and oil equipment, choose Huatai Group.